Section 1.3.b is just a little bit tougher because these are going to be multi-step problems that we are going to have to calculate. Last year, June Taylor earned $46,345. She paid some federal income taxes, some Social Security taxes, and some state income taxes. How much did she have left after these deductions? So in other words, we're going to take all the money that she had and subtract each of those totals. So 4,6,345 subtract the 3,012.43. Subtract the 35.45.39 and subtract the 24.09.94, and we get $37,377.24. Vester Moving Company's truck picks up loads of furniture weighing these amounts. The truck weighs this amount, the driver weighs this amount, the weight limit on the bridge is that amount. So what we need to do is start with the weight of the that the bridge can take. It can take 35,739. Subtract the truck, which is 13,968. Subtract the driver. What was that? 238. Subtract the three loads. 1454, 2193, and 8190. And we get 9696. So it's under 9696. How much? Underweight is it? Next one. Lorene has a revolving credit account with an annual percentage rate of 24%. We're going to need to do that one over again. We're going to need to do that one over again. There we go. 24%. Her previous month's balance is $781.61. The interest using the previous month's balance is $15.63. Find the new balance for Laura's account with the following activities. So, she had $781.61 plus the interest, $15.63. Subtract the payment, $422.29. Add the $72.71. Subtract the $290.56. Maybe she returned some stuff to the antique store. Add $205.79 and add $173.26. So let's take out our calculator and let's go to work. 781.61 plus 15.63 minus 422.29 plus 72.71 minus 290.56 plus 205.79 plus 173.26 is $536.15. Next one. This one's a little tougher. You have to reconcile a checking account statement. The The bank tells her she's got $2,074.96 in her account. She says she has $367.67 in her account. But the bank did not have check 1434, 1437, and 1438, which add up to this amount. She did not have down that there was a service charge of $40 and a bad check that got returned to her of $371.37. So what she needs to know is how much should be in each one of those different accounts, different totals, excuse me. All right, so let's go through it. I just wanted to make it not yellow. I don't like writing in yellow. All right, so let's get out our whiteboard and figure out what we're going to do with this problem. So on the left-hand side, a service charge gets added to your account, or I'm sorry, you have to pay it, so it will be subtracted from your account. The bad check, you thought it was going to be deposited, but it's not. It's going to be subtracted. Okay, so if you press those on your calculator, you would have 30.67 minus the 40 minus the 371.37 gives you 2656.30. On the other side, you've got what the bank doesn't know. Well, it thinks you have $2,074.96 in it. But it didn't have a deposit, a deposit of $844.08. It didn't have the checks that you had written for $82.64. It didn't have the check for $74.63, and it didn't have the check for $105.47. So it thinks you have $26.56.30. When these two numbers match, you have reconciled your checking account, and so you should have $26.56.30. Let's check to make sure that's what our answer says, $26.56.30. That's how you do